Hi there. At times you might work on data sets from the same series. When this happens, there are often similar questions from survey to survey. If this is the case, you are able to copy and paste in SPSS. And this can be a huge time saver. So I'll show you by looking at two surveys that I recently worked on. From the Canadian Community Health Survey, I worked on the 2011 to 2012 file and the 2012 file. Both surveys have over 1,200 variables with a lot of overlap between them. So let's expand the labels and compare between the two surveys. So you can see here, from the 2011 to 2012 file, I have two labels from the first two that are really short. They don't tell you anything, so they need to be fixed. So if I go over to the 2012 survey, I can see by looking at the name, VerDate, and geog_PRV that I have the same variables over here in the 2011 to 2012. So to save myself time, instead of copy and pasting individually, or even worse, typing it all out, I can go into the 2012 file and highlight both of these variables and either click Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it, or right-click and click Copy. I'll go over to the 2011 to 2012, highlight both of the variables that I'm wanting to paste into, and either click Ctrl+V to paste it, or you can also right-click it and click Paste. So now I have these two labels over here in my 2011 to 2012 file. And this is going to save you even more time because you might have as many, who knows, 20 even more variables that are all the same, and you can just highlight it and copy it from one SPSS file into another. But do pay careful attention to the name of the variables to ensure they are indeed the same. It is easy to lose track and difficult to sort mistakes out, especially whenever you're dealing with a lot of variables. But this is a huge time saver on small and large data sets alike. So that's all for this tutorial. This was created by the Carleton University Data Center. Thanks for watching.